Hi guys, Mark here on I Own a Classic. We're going to be taking a look at this rather lovely 1987 Raleigh Ozark. I rescued this from a site that is basically condemning the bike. It is in a sorry state, but we're going to be renovating it and bringing it back to life and put it up for sale for one of you lucky guys. Enjoy. Okay, as we walk around the bike from front to rear, you know, look at some of the bad features on this bike that we're going to do. First of all, coming in, the wheels are good. The original wheels. And we can do something with that. The forks are going to need refinishing. And the paint on the frame is in a really sorry state. The old frame is going to need stripping back. I'm completely starting fresh. The bottom bracket is quite loose, that's going to need replacing. Re-chainsaws as well now in a bad state. Then we come back around the front. We'll look from the other side now. Now see the left hand side, they're just as bad as the right. So the cage is only stripped off and disposed of. They're not original stock anyway. The nuts are all pretty rusty, we're going to be replacing those. Oh, it's the original Alivio groove set. It's the original Shimano U-brake. And all the equipment is original. The chain, however, is very badly rusted. Okay, clean the bike. We're going testing the new muck-off kit. It's been supplied by me, bought by me. We're going to put it to test and see what it actually does and how good it is. So first of all, then, crack her open and put everything through the test. We're going to be using some fast action bike clean from Muck-Off. So let's open it. She's sealed. Pop she goes. Let's see how good it works. Use the soft brush first of all. Just to loosen up all the grime, all the crap. There's nothing worse, I don't think, than working on a dirty bike. Is get all the muck off the road on the bike. All the dog's mess, or a cat's pee. Right. We're going to cut back to this now once I got it clean. Okay, as you can see now the bike is starting to come out really nice. Now we're going to do is clean and lubricate the chain and see where we go from there. Okay then, chain lube. We're going to be using the Halford's chain cleaning kit. Lube. And just get there. Gives a fighting chance with the bike. Again, operational again. So it's satisfactory level. Right, okay. So you can see here now, you'll let through some of the fluid through into the bottom now. And you're going to have a look at this in a few minutes time. One of the things I come across in cleaning the bike, I discovered here, used to this. So rear mac there, the derailleur is where adjustment is hitting the crank arm when it comes around is not reaching the stop. But we're not going to worry about this because this is going to be removed as part of cleaning anyway. This is the full 531 all-terrain frame set. We're going to see now how the chain comes up and how much shit you get from the chain. I don't see here now, the tank is getting dirty. I'll put some more fluid in there and continue out clean. And for those who can't see here, the cleaning fluid coming out in the reservoir is actually grey, which signifies metal filings. It means that this chain's been running so dry, it's actually filing. So I wouldn't be surprised if the chain actually wants disposing of. But I'll get my chain gauge on that later, and we'll have a look to see. You can actually see the paste coming round on the chain ring. Bring the camera in, as you can see it. So you actually see here, look. This is what's coming off the chain. It's like a brown paste, whereas the filings in the chain hasn't been lubricated for that long. So we're gonna look here now, as you can see, the brown sort of paste that's coming off the chain. We're going to continue cleaning for the next 10 minutes. So I'm satisfied she's clean enough. Yeah, good. The amount of muck come off here is actually quite surprising. Getting excited at that awful brown paste again. It's right down in the gears. The gears themselves are quite good. They're not too worn. There's a good square edge on the gears, which I'll show you later when we get it all apart. I don't think this bike has ever been cleaned in the 40 years of its life, or 37 years I should say. It is absolutely stinking. I've honestly never seen a bike so dirty as this. I think one thing I'm going to have to do is strip the chain rings as well. It really is that bad, it's awful. First of all, I thought it was going to be a quick clean, but this is going to be a full strip, guys. But you can see just from a little TLC how this bike is really coming up nice. I haven't done the front wheel. As you can see the difference when you look at it. The state of the aluminium, I think, as opposed to the rear. I don't think you can see that shows up on camera, but it is shocking. The chainstay has got quite a bit of patina on here, so I think the frame is going to have to be shot blasted as well, not just a strip to get rid of some of this patina. This is going to be quite an inclusive restoration. Okay, so you can see now that the bike is starting to come back to life, and the quality of the components she's cleaned up really nice. I haven't done the front wheel yet, so you see the difference in the finish. We're going to have to go with new head caps. They're quite worn, the cables are gone, and she's not selecting gear properly either. Hi Kev, it's my cat. Handlebars are going to need clean. So this is going to be a full restoration. So if you enjoy my channel so far, hit the old like and subscribe button, and the next time we'll be stripping the frame and getting it ready to go for shot blasting. Thanks and bye bye.